Hi everyone, it's Jen, and this video is all about using the efficiency features AutoComplete and AutoFill. Now, I am going to start entering the airport codes for the departures. So I'm going to go ahead and type in SFO and press enter. Now, when I want to type SFO again, which stands for San Francisco, I'm going to type in the capital S and notice that AutoComplete goes ahead and fills in FO. So Excel is smart. It thinks, hey, you're probably going to be typing in a lot of the same data. So it will complete words if you begin with the similar or close letters repeatedly. Now I'm going to press enter. Now I'm going to type in LAX for Los Angeles Airport and press enter. And I could press shift enter to go back up and select it again. Now I really want to copy LAX to the next 3 cells down. So rather than using AutoComplete, I'm going to use AutoFill. AutoFill allows you to click and drag to copy items in your cells. We'll learn more about AutoFill and AutoComplete as we move on in this class. In order to activate AutoFill, I'm going to hover over this bottom right corner, and this will change the way my plus looks. Look how it goes from this thick white plus with a shadow to a thin black plus with maybe a white outline, and this becomes what's called my fill handle. So you see that tiny dot? It's like dot marks the spot. And I'm going to click and hold and drag down. And you can see that on the right-hand side, I get a screen tip telling me that I'm copying LAX, and I let go. Da-da, da-da-da-da. Wonderful. Now I'm going to go ahead and make B8 my active cell, and I'm going to type in OAK for Oakland Airport. And I'm going to do the same thing here to copy this down to the next 2 cells. At this point, oftentimes a student will ask, hey, how come my numbers automatically are aligned to the right and my text is automatically aligned to the left? Excel does this because it expects text to align to the left, and numbers, they would want to stack next to their decimal places, so that decimal places could stack on top of each other for easy viewing of numbers, and that's why they are aligned to the right automatically. We're going to go in here and we're going to use our autofill and autocomplete again. We're going to type in EWR for our East Coast Newark Airport in New Jersey and press enter. Now I'm going to type in JFK and press enter again. And again, we want to use our skills to enter this data efficiently. So I know that I want JFK another couple times, so I'm going to use autofill for that. And LGA is for LaGuardia, also in New York, and I'm going to go ahead and press enter. Now, I just need Newark once, so I'm going to type in my capital E, and autocomplete will fill it in for me. And LGA, and then I'll go ahead and use my autofill to copy that a second time. And E for EWR and press enter. So that was using autofill, the fill handle, and complete to enter data efficiently.